What's up, YouTube? So today we're getting ready to head over to Eric's house to meet up and carpool down to Asheboro, where we're going to do a ride down and around through the Uwharrie Mountains, the Uwharrie area of North Carolina. You've seen previous bike rides where we did the gnarly gravel there at the off-road vehicle trails, the ORV trails. So this will be a road ride around some of that same area. So the route is about 68 miles and somewhere around 4,000 feet of elevation. So today we've got the road bike, titanium Lynskey R270 with industry 9.35 wheels. All right, let's get this bike loaded.
Let's nail this roller free, motherfucker.
Where's good?
I woke up on the other side, and on this crazy time, just my dream. I spend my days out in the sun. I got nowhere to run. Yeah, so it seems. I just want you to tell me, am I out of my mind? I just want you to tell me, 'cause I'm lost and I'm blind. I know you carry all the load. Well, that's just how it goes when you're with me. Darling, I've been away too long. It's time you carry on without me. I just want you to tell me, am I out of my mind? I just want you to tell me, 'cause I'm lost and I'm blind. I just want you to tell me, am I out of my mind? I just want you to tell me, 'cause I'm lost and I'm blind. I just want you to tell me, am I out of my mind? I just want you to tell me, 'cause I'm lost and I'm blind.
Why can't they put trees at these intersections? Always nice to find some unexpected gravel. Pretty cool.
I've been used sometimes, left alone in the heat of the night. Every time, and up like a play, got nothing
Well, that was a nice 2-mile stretch of gravel. So I got my new Katrina's Ride kit on today from Starlight. Pretty awesome kit, gotta say. I like the pink. Venture bibs, pockets. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Well, it's hot, it's humid, and there's not much shade in this little spot we decided to stop at, but I think I'm gonna walk back over to it where everybody else is at. Well, that was a hot ride. Temperature-wise, look at my face. I got so much sun. Should probably wear sunscreen, maybe. So yeah, that was 68 miles and 3,700 feet of elevation. The end was more than welcoming, and I think that my favorite part was the beer at Four Saints Brewing Company. One of the best. I think it's listed as the 19th best brewery in North Carolina, maybe. But if you're ever in Asheboro, go to North Carolina Zoo, but also go to Four Saints Brewing. So yeah, I want to thank Eric for a wonderful route. It was kind of nice to get away from Greensboro a little bit before we started our ride and try some new roads we've never been on. Everything was great with the ride. It was kind of calming. There were some good, nice, cool flat sections. There were a couple of dogs here and there, and a lot of suicide squirrels. Not sure why the squirrels wanted to kill themselves by crossing the road, but they did. And another huge shout out to Four Saints Brewing Company for being just an awesome brewery and a cool spot after a ride to drink a beer. Hopefully you liked the video. Click the like button down below. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and keep on adventuring.